Embrace the revolution in account-based selling technologies that is transforming the DNA of key account management across B2B enterprises globally. DemandFarm's Account Planner is native to Salesforce and integrates with other CRMs, harnessing the power of data and unlocking key account growth. You are now empowered to drive account planning, reviews, and governance inside your CRM with the added power of on-demand data, collaboration, and scalability. Account Planner's clean, comprehensive, and easy-to-use approach helps managers create a knowledge sphere of each account based on both qualitative and quantitative insights. With a clear account heat map based on account health, mapping your account's market space, competition, and a detailed meeting strategy to service the account, Account Planner can help you maintain a real-time check on your account and identify areas that may need immediate attention. But Account Planner shines when it comes to supporting your business development and sales pipeline. Our account landscape gives you a holistic overview of the potential to cross-sell and upsell. Account Planner's unique insights into white, or well, even black spaces helps you calibrate your approach to optimize and grow your revenue pipeline. All this while Account Planner keeps a close focus on the people who drive your business. Our relationship maps build a visual perspective of your client's internal organization, allowing you to fine-tune your communication with the right people and win their influence on your product or offerings. By measuring the quality of interactions, Account Planner delivers a clear insight on your communication with your clients and helps you build business predictability and maximize your ROI. And all of this is supported by powerful dashboarding, comprehensive insights, and recommendations for your teams to always be one step ahead of the competition. For sales leaders, you can gather a comprehensive overview of your CAM portfolio and also deep dive into account-specific nuances. For account managers and sales operation leaders, you can harness the dashboards to address risks and hidden opportunities proactively. DemandFarm's Account Planner is your indispensable tool to enable you to grow your key accounts effectively. Integrate Account Planner with your business and experience. Living and breathing account plans and single-click account reviews within your CRM. Cross-functional and collaborative sales planning. White space analysis for effective cross-selling and upselling. Relationship mapping to identify buying groups and influencers. Dashboards to glean a holistic overview of your accounts. Account Planner. Streamline your account planning and management and unlock sustainable and predictable revenue growth.